Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essentials: platform, region, date, and player cap. Next, choose format, solo or teams, and bracket style, because that drives scheduling and rules. Once done, recruit staff. At least one admin, 2 referees, a caster, and tech support. Assign clear duties so conflicts don't stall the event. Make sure to create registration forms with required fields like IGN, rank, and contact info so you can seed brackets accurately and quickly. You now build the operational core: a concise rulebook covering match settings, pick and ban, disconnect handling, and penalties so disputes resolve fast. Then schedule matches with buffer windows, assign warm-up rooms, and plan tiebreak procedures to avoid delays. Simultaneously, test backend systems, verify server stability, generate lobby codes, create stream overlays, and prepare a match reporting form for referees. Make sure to run a full dry run to catch timing issues. You wrap up by following a strict day of checklist: player check-ins, staff briefings, lobby creation, and synchronized stream starts. Once matches finish, collect referee reports, update brackets live, and publish VODs and standings so transparency stays high. If problems hit, use your predefined rollback plan. Switch to reserve servers or substitute players, apply documented penalties, and resolve disputes publicly using the rulebook to maintain trust. Make sure to debrief immediately after to capture lessons for the next event.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.